Hello out there. I just wanted to show everybody how you can convert your old dishwasher into a smoker. Seems to be working fine. I'm trying to keep the temperature around 220 degrees. I gutted it, took all the wiring off, rewired it to the heating element at the bottom, and plugged it in. Come over here and open it so you can see. Got a real tiny flame in there. And here's the product. Got some jerky, a little bit of sausage, some ribs, and a chicken. I just squirted down a little with the water bottle. Try to cut back on the air a little bit. You really don't want the flame in there. It really kicks up when I open it, because there's so much air. And the bottom holes I blocked off with tin foil, they do have a little bit of air coming through for ventilation. So, you don't have to spend a lot of money on a smoker to have really good smoked meat. Hope you like it.